I just got done running a class with a mentee, and this video was too good to not record it and show you guys my strategy in like the easiest way possible. So cool. Let's just kind of let's look at this chart here, right? So let's point the obvious, right? Break above. Oh, okay, we went bullish. Okay, cool. What was a break? Okay, let's go 15-minute. Let's look at a range we're in. Okay, we're in this range here, right? Where was our high within this range? We had the high here. We had a high here, right? That pushed us down. So this is our low that created the shift above this high to continue to the next high, right? To keep going up. So let's say this wasn't here at all right? We do know we have an order block. We do know we have our low here, and we know where our stop loss or where the market structure can shift bearish is here, right? So we know if it holds, we can look for shift back up on a smaller time frame and then go long when there's a setup presented to it for us. So let's go ahead and press play. Let's watch this real time. Too slow for me. Let's do 3x. Okay, pushed up. Alright, okay, pushed up. But what happened right here? We gapped up, right? Not gapped up, but pushed up. We held the low here. Okay, let's say you missed entry here, right? You missed the entry. Damn, it pushed up. I missed it. Cool. Like I said, let's go smaller time frame and look for a shift above the market, to give you those entries again. So you miss it down here. Cool. Don't sweat about it. You know where your high is at, right? So if this high breaks above, we look for a retest, right? Because if it pushed from this low, and it came to the high where you were supposed to take profit, you missed it. Cool. Catch a retest. So let's see. It broke above the high. Okay. So my four step strategy is: 1, look for a break. 2, find a fair value gap in order block. Step 3, draw the fibs. Step 4, just wait for a retest. So let's start with step 1. We know we had a break above the high here. We knew the 15-minute low held, meaning, hey, still, support here, trying to push us up, held us, okay, and we shifted above, meaning the market wants to continue higher. So let's look. Step 1, break. Step 2, let's look for an order block anywhere within this area. Okay, I see one right here, the last down move, right, that created the break. There's a fair value gap right here. And there's your order block, and the yellow box will be your whole fair value gap right here. Right? Okay, so step 3 for me is I draw my fibs from the high to the low where the break happened. So from just here, right, from my low, my last down move, where there's an order block and a fair value gap, down move to my last high. Now for me, I like to find entries at the 50%, optimal, and premium. 50% for me usually is where I take starter size. Optimal and premium, which is the 70.50 and the 79% one, I look for a stronger reaction. Okay, that's step 2, step 3, step 4, all done. And then I see more pieces of evidence. I see the letter W, right? That means I'm about to win. So boom, boom, which is called a buy to sell, a little W. So buy and then to sell. Boom, right? So it can give you the push back up. So the W breaks above. It's going to be a sell from here, sell off from here, to buy up, to push higher. And like I said, you wait for a retest within these levels. So let's move this right here. Let's see what happens. Okay, we could take starters. We could take starters here. Like I said, full position will be around the green, which is the optimal, purple, the premium. Okay, held the optimal, held the premium, and pushed up. Where's your TP1? You're going to be around these highs up here. Alright, so boom. Alright, you took it from here. So let's find what the risk was. Okay, risk to reward, go long. Right, if you're going to get entry around the optimal, let's say an average because you got in at the 50% and at the premium. Your stop loss is a close below the order block, right? So you're in right here. And your take profit is this high here. The risk to reward looks, pretty obvious to me. And we know what our low is for our stop loss. And we know where our first take profit is. And what happened when that first take profit hit? Look at the rejection, right? Had a little rejection to it. And then came to retest again, push higher. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. That is literally my 4-step strategy. Very, very simple. Look for these models, right? You want to look for either an M, which is a buy to sell model, or you want to look for a W, which is a sell to buy, right? Meaning it's going to sell off a little bit to buy back up. What does this one, the M, mean? Money, right? It's a buy to sell setup. Hope you guys enjoy. Take care.